Good day everyone, you're watching Rate Your Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to clear private data in Google Chrome for Windows. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to clear private data in Google Chrome browser. Uh, with increased concern over privacy and security, it's good to clear your tracks when you're done browsing once in a while. Now, in order to clear the browsing data, what you will have to do is you will have to keep your Google Chrome open on your screen. You will have to click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the Google Chrome page. Click on History and then click on History again. So once you're on this page, it will display the list of website which you have accessed. Now, what you will have to do is you will have to click on Clear Browsing Data. Once you click on Clear Browsing Data, it would give you a time range from where you want to delete the data from. So the time range would be from all time. If you want to delete all time data, you can select all time, or you can choose the time range from 4 weeks, 7 days, or 24 hours, or last hour. And you can keep these options unchecked if you want to keep your browsing history, cookies, and cached images. So once you have selected, if you want to delete or clear all time data, you can select all time data. Now for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to select last 24 hours and then click on clear data. So what this will do is this will go ahead and clear the history for last 24 hours. Now, if you want to select or if you want to clear only the selected sites from the history from the Google Chrome, it is also possible. If you don't want to clear all the histories, let's say that you want to clear only data from a specific sites from you have accessed in the past. It is also possible to clear the data only for a specific sites. So in order to do that, what you will have to do is you will have to click on three dotted lines again, click on history, click on history again. Now under this section, it will give you the list of the sites which you have accessed. Now for example, if you want to delete data from a specific website, you can select the specific website and then click on delete, and that will clear the data for that particular website. Now if you want to delete data from a specific website or certain content, it is also possible. You can select you can click on the three dotted lines here and click on more from this site, and you can select a certain web page we have access from that particular website. For example, in my case, if I have access this website for outlook.live.com. If you want to delete, or if I want to delete a specific entry for that particular website on a certain date, I can select entries for these dates here and then click on delete. So what this will do is this will delete the entries for outlook.live.com for a specific dates or a specific sites. Now, in order to talk more about what are browsing history, let me also give an explanation on what is browsing history. Browsing history keeps a record of the website that you visited. You can view this record by selecting history from the Chrome More menu in the upper right corner. So if you want to access the browsing history, you can click on the three dotted lines and then click on history. That will give you a browsing history. Download history. Chrome keeps a record of every file you download through the browser. So if you want to delete the download history, you can also go ahead and delete the download history. And cached images and files. What it does is Chrome uses its cache to store images, pages, and URLs for recently visited web page. By using the cache, the browser can load these pages faster on a subsequent visits on the site by loading the images locally from the cache rather than from the web server. Coming to cookies and other site data, the cookie is a text file that placed on your computer when you visit a certain website. Each cookie notifies a web server when you return to its web page. Cookie remember certain settings you have on a website. Passwords are the passwords when you enter a password on a web page for something such as your email login. Chrome usually asks if you want to remember the passwords. If you want to retain the password or save the password which you have entered, you can click on Save Password. Autofill form data. Anytime you enter information into a form on a website, Chrome may store some of the data. For example, when filling of your name in a form, after you type first letter or two, your entire name populates in the field. This is because Chrome saved your name now from an entry in a previous form. Although this can be convenient, it can also be a privacy concern. So this is how you can go ahead and clear your private data from Google Chrome in Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.